Hi there, greetings from Tokyo, Japan. It's Sakura here. Today, I'm going to introduce a unique vending machine in Tokyo. Here are some machines. See what they have. Cold drinks have a blue label, and hot drinks have a red label. Wow, that sounds interesting. Corn soup. It's 130 yen. Recently, a lot of machines accept Japanese IC cards, which are prepaid rechargeable contactless smart cards. When paying by the card, make your selection before scanning your card over the card reader. In the past couple of years, especially younger people have quickly switched to electronic payments. Here it is. It says Trolley Corn. Trolley means thick and creamy. Now let's check it out. It is thick and creamy. Wow, look, kernels. It is sweet and creamy. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Would you like to try some unique vending machines together? Please let us know. I have to go now, so see you guys later. See you soon.